I leave you with Henry David Thoreau's words. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined.
We salute you! Please move inside in an orderly fashion! Here we go now, all the way to the hall! Get away from the window! Get down! Face the wall! Cover your head! Stay down! Stay down, everybody! Take cover!
Look at the size of it! Come on, hurry up, let's go!
What do we got?
It's regenerating.
Did you hear that?
Dad, help us! The building fell down on this water for again!
I gotta get my son. Can you take us?
Let's move!
What the hell is that? This is what you guys do for a living.
They chase. I study.
Look out!
And it was close! Dude, my arm hurts.
All the warning sirens are down. If a tornado's coming your way, you're not gonna know it. Hey, guys, it's splitting. There's another one. There's 3, 4. They're everywhere. Hang on! Oh, my God!
I study storms all my life. And this one is bigger than any storm that has ever been.